what I'll do, I'll go back to our initial project. So if you have projects that are already been opened, so ideally what you do in KiCad always, just go to file and open recent. So it was our first KiCad project. I'll just open it up here. So let's say we want to add a resistor here. So we can just go here and hit on this. So it will fire up. We can use resistor, and I'll give you tips. So if you want to get a resistor very fast, just type R and don't do anything more. Like here you can get this. If you want one from US, I can just say R_US, the symbol itself. This is the British symbol and this is the US symbol. So you can use whatever you want. Well, I'll go with the US symbol here. Say you want to change the value of this particular resistor here. So what you do, you just hit V on your keyboard, V for value. So when you hit V, say this is a 1K or 2K resistor, just do like 2K and put small here, and that's how, and then you can place it wherever you want. Maybe you want to do a power like 5V. I'll just hit A on my keyboard, or just grab this and then hit anywhere, then search like 5V. So I'll get everything that's available within my libraries, and all these libraries are coming up with the KiCad library. So it works out the box. You have to do nothing up to that point. So that way, and maybe I'll do an LED. So I'll search LED. Yeah, so I can grab this. To rotate this, you see like the way it came, like to rotate this, you just hit R for rotate on your KiCad. And these are some of the things that make KiCad very fast and a very good tool to use, because we have a lot of shortcuts at our disposal that makes us work very fast. So just hit R. So if you hit R that way, and then so the next thing we want to do is do a ground here, so that we can have our ground. So we can select these tools. So we want to do a ground, like I told you, we can have this and select ground here. But again, we can still use this here and just hit here, then search ground, say GND. So it will just give us, and we can select whatever, select what you're happy with. I'm happy with this symbol, so I'll just place this one here. So now you want to connect everything here. This is a simple 5V that's lighting an LED through a current limiting resistor here. So I can just do this. I will wire this one here. Let's do a wire again. So I'm hitting W on my keyboard and then doing the connections here. And I'll get back to my 90 degrees here. So we do have this is the complete 5V with the LED lighting an LED here. And maybe, so the next thing you want to know is about the annotation. You remember me saying, how do we get this named? So once you're happy and you've completed your schematic, so what you do, you go to annotation here. You see this here, hit on annotation, and then just say, leave the defaults for now. They are okay, and probably you will not be dealing with them later. We'll be dealing with this when we get at the intermediate. Just say annotate, and then close. So it will give you parts names, R1, C2, and whatever. So, and once we are done with this now, so our schematic is ready, and then we can now proceed to associating this with the footprints that are available for us. And also after there, now we generate our netlist, then get into the PCB layout, import that netlist, do the layout, do the routing, and complete with our PCB. So